How to share any music on SoundCloud to Instagram directly. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share any music from SoundCloud to your Instagram. First thing, go to SoundCloud. Now let's just choose any song or sound right here. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. Now if you want to share it to your Instagram directly, just click on this icon right here and you will be able to share it to your Instagram stories easy and fast. As you can see, you can share it to your Instagram direct or your Instagram story, as I said here. Now if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.